The AI world just exploded with updates. Elon's Grok 4 is going full meme mode, Google activated AI for 1 billion users, Meta's building a superintelligent brain, and a new tool is transforming how filmmakers create with AI. Yeah, this isn't just another AI news cycle. This is a full-on tech showdown. In this video, we're breaking down the biggest AI power moves happening right now and why they could change everything. Let's kick things off with the loudest headline, Grok 4. Elon Musk's XAI is rolling out the latest version of its AI model, and it's got some, let's say, bold upgrades. First off, Grok 4 is multimodal. That means it can understand not just text, but also images and videos. So if you throw a meme at it, it won't just blink in confusion like most bots. It'll get the joke, and maybe even respond with one. Seriously, Grok 4 has been trained to understand meme culture. Elon calls it meme smart, because of course he does. But that's not even the spiciest part. Grok 4 is also being pitched as uncensored. Unlike other chatbots that try to avoid controversial topics, Grok's designed to dive in. It's being positioned as the anti-woke AI, built with fewer filters and more freedom. Whether that's empowering or dangerous depends on your perspective. But one thing's for sure, it's unlike anything else out there. And since it's baked directly into X, what used to be Twitter, millions of people might be talking to this thing without even realizing it. Scrolling your feed, liking cat memes, and boom, you're chatting with an AI that roasts your grammar and explains quantum physics in the same sentence. Now, while Elon's over here trying to turn chatbots into cultural commentators, Meta is doing something quieter, but maybe more powerful. Behind the scenes, they're building what could become a real AGI, artificial general intelligence. We're not talking about just another chatbot here. Meta's goal is to create a system that can think, reason, and learn like a human. To do that, they're not just relying on in-house teams, they're poaching top AI talent from competitors. One of the biggest names, Peng, a senior Apple AI engineer who just jumped ship to join Meta's new superintelligence lab. Reports say Meta's offering huge pay packages to lure elite researchers. And if you're wondering how serious they are, this lab is being directly overseen by key Meta execs. And they've made it crystal clear. The goal is nothing short of building the most advanced intelligence on the planet. It's kind of like OpenAI, but with unlimited funding and zero subtlety. And while they're not sharing exact details yet, the fact that they're stealing talent from Apple, the world's most secretive company, should tell you just how aggressive this play is. AGI might sound like science fiction, but Meta's clearly betting it's science fact, and they want to be first. Meanwhile, over in India, Google just made one of the most impactful moves of the week, and they barely made any noise about it. After months of testing, they've officially rolled out AI mode to all users in India. No invite system, no waitlist, just open access. Now, if you haven't heard of AI mode yet, it's basically a new way to interact with Google's search, powered by generative AI. You can talk to it with voice, show it images, type in questions, it all works. Imagine pointing your camera at a product in a store and asking, "Is this cheaper online?" Or snapping a picture of a dish at a restaurant and getting the recipe in seconds. That's the level of real-time intelligence Google is aiming for. And in a country like India, where over 1 billion people are online and mobile first, this isn't just a feature, it's a revolution. Google just positioned itself as the go-to AI assistant for an entire subcontinent. That's not just scale, that's dominance. And while other companies are fighting over Silicon Valley buzz, Google's quietly building a 1 billion user lead. Oh, and speaking of tools that actually help people, let's talk about one of the most refreshing stories of the week. It's not from a trillion-dollar company, and it doesn't come with a 1 billion user rollout. It's from a startup called Moonvalley, and they just released an AI model named Marey that might change how we make videos forever. Marey is a generative video model, but it's not trying to replace filmmakers. Instead, it's designed to work with them. It gives creators detailed control over shots, angles, mood, pacing, you name it. And unlike other video AIs that remix random stock footage from sketchy sources, Marey pulls from ethically licensed content. It's like having an AI-powered creative partner that respects copyrights and doesn't make up stuff halfway through your story. Even more impressive, it's already being used in a real project, a documentary about Carl Sagan. So this isn't just a demo or concept. It's a working tool that's helping filmmakers tell smarter, better stories. And it might just be the most human-centered AI release we've seen in a while. And hey, if you're into this kind of fast-moving, no-fluff breakdown of what's happening in AI, take a second to like this video and hit that subscribe button. I cover the biggest stories, the wildest tech, and the updates that actually matter without drowning you in jargon. All right, back to it. So here's the big picture. In one single week, we've seen 4 very different strategies for shaping the future of AI. Elon Musk is building bots with personality, uncensored, meme-savvy, and built into the fabric of social media. Meta is assembling an elite team of AI minds to quietly build something smarter than any model on the planet. Google is turning AI into a tool for billions of everyday users, slipping it into their daily lives almost invisibly. And Moonvalley, they're offering a reminder that AI can be collaborative, helpful, even respectful, especially in the hands of creators. What makes this moment so interesting isn't just the tech, it's the contrast. Some are building for power, some for scale, and some for partnership. And none of them are waiting. The pace is accelerating. Every week, it feels like the next big leap is already here. So what do you think? Is AI heading towards something helpful or something way bigger than we can predict? Will the future be shaped by meme bots and massive AGI labs, or by tools that make creative work more human? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve without getting buried in headlines, this is the channel for you. Thanks for watching. This is Trend AI Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.